Here we go, back again with another session. It has been a little while since I last painted. Where do I go with this? Basically, since I've been back from France, I've been kind of thinking about painting, plus kind of unloading from France and sorting out clean clothes and everything else that comes with that. So yeah, this video is basically just try and get back in the groove of where I was. So I've just come back down here to kind of freestyle something just to enjoy myself basically. So here we go. At this point, I've just got to add that I noticed this tag to the left hand side, which is EBS. The E is kind of similar to other little tags I've done in the past in the local area. I'm not saying whoever put this up copied me, but the fact that the E and the S is very similar to stuff I've put up in the local area in the past, and the fact that B is very similar to a K in shape. I'm not saying this person bit me, but it's all very weird. So I kind of put up these letters in this piece, and they're kind of like similar to what I've painted in the past, but also kind of replicating what was painted on this left hand side to my piece. So it's definitely a little bit lopsided, freestyled as you can probably tell, a little bit rough. Yeah, I could improve, but I had fun. That is the main thing. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I can't talk right now. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.